Hello guys, here is the watch we reviewed a few days ago, and I've been wearing this watch for quite often, and I really enjoy the display, MIP display, and the negative display. And I think the black version definitely looks much cooler in terms of the color, the layers, how they design this watch on the dial. I mean, on the screen, from different angles, I mean, it looks way much more legible compared to my GW-5600. And the cool thing about this is it got the application and Bluetooth. So that's its one plus, and that's its plus. I think the multi-band 6 works pretty well, and it's top solar. I don't really need. I mean, once you have this watch, you can understand that what I'm talking about. I mean, this is really the true grab and go watch, and it does have certain retro style. I mean, the look, but it also looks cool, and I think the negative display makes it look modern. And even for today, I mean, there are plenty of smartwatches out there, but still, I think this is one of the watches that you should have one. I mean, it works perfect, and it's solar powered, and the time is, radio controlled. Accuracy is impeccable, and even for those who is not good at with do setting, good at doing settings on casual watches. Now you have Bluetooth, you have smartphone applications. I mean, so yeah, for everyone. I mean, this is like all-rounder daily beater watch. I think this is the G-shock. I mean, so if you love G-shock watches, I definitely is one of the watches. I mean, at least I suggest you take a look at this. Anyway, I feel probably this is one of the coolest G-shock watches I ever had, and I enjoy the display. I hope they can make some some slight changes. I mean, more features about the MIP display, about the applications, make it more fun to play with this watch. So as you can see, the case, all the design looks just the way maybe 30 years, 40 years ago. So about designs, probably it's not so much upgrade. I mean, so maybe sometimes I will prefer some PVD, like metal ones, like PVD coated culture watches from this model. I mean, I know the resin and plastic definitely feels much lighter, and sometimes I still prefer like a gunmetal and something metal ones. I think I prefer those a little bit more. Anyway, I enjoy this watch. It's very comfortable on my 6.3-inch wrist and feels very light. It's not, those chunky casual watches. I mean, it feels awkward on my slender wrist. So if you got small wrist, this also works fine. I mean, works well, and with your you know, as an all-rounder watch, I mean, it looks pretty great, and solar power, 10-bar water resistance, and Bluetooth, and, you know, and multi-band 6. I guess that's the watch, I mean, and we want, and we got the, you know, nostalgic vibe, and the retro vibe of the 80s and 90s. So I think this is a great watch. Tell me about your thoughts on it watch. I mean, if you have any chance to get this one, again, I suggest you take a look at it. For the price, as a plastic watch, a resin band, and as a resin band, I mean resin made watch. I do think the price is a little bit higher than I expected. Yes, that's my summary of this watch. If you have any thoughts, please leave in the comment section. I always enjoy reading your comments. What you guys like. See you next week.